Namaste. I am Dr. Sachin from Dr. Vaidya's team. Dr. Vaidya's Huff and Kuff Kadha is now available as ready-to-use and sugar-free Kadha Sips in a pack of 30 single-serve sachets. With a higher concentration of ingredients like Vasa or Adulsa, Sunth, Jyeshthimadhu, Kadha Sips helps to get fast relief from respiratory infections like cold, cough, sore throat, sinusitis, and seasonal allergies. Being 100% sugar-free, new Kadha Sips is safe for diabetics and calorie-conscious people. It has a good taste that even children can easily accept. It is 100% soluble. All you need to do is cut and pour a sachet into a cup of hot water or tea, stir to dissolve, and your healthy Ayurvedic Kadha is ready to drink. Thank you.